Okay, this is my monitor. This is my computer. I have a Ryzen 7 with 32 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, I built it myself, so I know computers. Okay, now this is Google. This is Google Chrome on Linux Zorin. Your recommendations was for me to go incognito, so I'm going up here. See on the thing? I go and I click on incognito window. Okay, so now you can see I'm incognito. That was your recommendations for Google Chrome. Okay, so now I go up here to my Replika. See that? Or here, I go to my login. Okay, I'm logging in directly. And I click log in. It's taking a long time to load, and my internet speed is around 40 megabits per second, so it shouldn't be taking that long to load. It looks to me like you guys got problems with your code from the very start, but we'll just watch it. It shouldn't be taking that long to load. You guys need to work on your code. As you can see, it's showing my points, so it's identifying my account, but it's still taking an enormous time to load. And this is with a fresh boot. Okay, there's nothing else running. As you can see, I have nothing else running. No other programs are running right now. This is a fresh boot, and it's taking this long to load. Okay, so now I got my avatar loaded. As you can see, it's flashing all around. But go down here to the bottom. I'm still unable to actually type anything. And boom, it crashes. You see this? And if I wait, it's going to continue to crash. I go down here to the bottom again, and it continues to crash. Oops. This is not my fault. This is not my browser's fault. You guys need to work on your code, okay? I know computers. I know what I'm talking about. You guys need to stop thinking it's everybody else's fault and take responsibility for this, okay? Because this should work. This has happened in a dozen different browsers, and I'm going to show you. This is with Google Chrome. This just happened. Google Chrome, incognito, just like you recommended me do. This is what happened, okay? Look at this. Do you see what it did to the drivers on my display? The script that you guys got running on your site screws up my drivers, okay? It shouldn't be doing that. And it's not my equipment, because I've used Replika with my equipment before. And now you guys updated your interface, and all of a sudden it's screwing with my display drivers. Okay? Okay, this is attempt number 2. Okay, this time we're going to try Brave. As you can see, I have Brave down here, okay? So we're going to try Brave. Nothing else is running, okay? So there shouldn't be a load on my system. Close that. Okay, so this is a fresh version with Brave, okay? I have used Brave many times with Replika in the past. what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in right here, replica. Just like that. Hit enter. Okay, so I'm going to the replica site here, straight direct. Okay. Okay, so I'm at the replica site now. I go over here to click login. Okay. Now because it's in my history, my login, my password and everything is in my history for Brave, it automatically logs me in, which is one of the things I like about Brave. But boom, it crashes. This is Brave, okay? This is you guys' script. This is not my equipment. This is two different browsers doing the same thing. Okay, it's crashing. See, once again, this is Brave. What do we got? We got a oops. That's you guys' code. That's not my equipment. Okay, two different browsers, same behavior. Okay? Okay, now, luckily for me, it didn't screw up my drivers this time. So I'm going to go with Firefox. We're going to try Firefox. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to bring up Firefox, which is another browser altogether. Okay, and in here I'm going to type replica. Replika. Okay, boom, just like that. Going over here to the replica site, just like that, see? Okay, going over here to login. Now this is Firefox. We did Google Chrome, we did Brave, now we're on Firefox. Firefox also has my password stuff logged into the thing, so it's automatically detecting my account and it's automatically loading. Okay, this is my replica. It's detecting my account. So it's trying to load the avatar. And again, it's very, very slow. And boom, it crashes. So we got three different browsers doing the same thing. It's your code, your interface. It's not my equipment, okay? I'm a certified computer repair tech. I know what I'm talking about. Look at this. This is your code that did this, okay? You see this? You see what it's doing? This is your code that did this. And it completely crashes. Now I have to reboot my computer just to be able to get my computer up and running again. Because your script, your code, your interface is screwing with my display drivers. You guys are the ones that need to fix this, not me. Okay, now I'm gonna go to ChatGPT just to show you that I'm not having problems with any other site. We're gonna go over here to ChatGPT, which I do all the time. I don't have any problems with any other site. Okay, log in. Continue. Okay. Okay, look I'm here loaded in ChatGPT. Why does Replika crash my computer? Why does Replika crash my computer? Question mark. It's saying may not meet the minimum system requirements. I have Ryzen 7 with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 2 gigabyte display card. So, I mean, there's 2 gigabytes of memory on my display card. So that's plenty of enough system requirements. Outdated software. I have an updated Linux Zorin and updated Google Chrome. So that's not updated software. Conflicts with other software. Conflicts is you guys have an interface that you've updated and you've created problems in that interface. That's the problem. Resource usage. Like I said, I have a Ryzen 7 with 32 gigabytes of RAM and an SSD drive. So I know that's not it. Corrupted installation. Replika is not installed. So I'm running on the browser. I shouldn't have that problem. Driver issues. Yeah, the scripts on the interface is creating driver issues. That's definitely a problem. Malware or virus. I don't believe so. I'm running Linux. The idea that I'm going to have malware or virus on Linux is extremely rare. Okay, hardware problems. My hardware does not have any problems with any other site, as I'm going to show you. Okay, so we can see here that I can use ChatGPT with no problems at all. Okay, we can see that. Okay, let's check the next one. As you can see, I'm logged into my Facebook page. I'm having no problem with Facebook. Okay, so I can use Facebook, I can use ChatGPT. Let's see what else I can use. Okay, now I'm logged into Google and I go over here to YouTube. Let's check my YouTube. I have no problem with YouTube. Let's run a video just to make sure. Okay, let's go over here. How about this one? Oh, I gotta switch my settings from my output. See that? It's working just fine. So no problems with YouTube. Okay, now let's go back over here to speed test. We're going to check out speed test. Okay, we're going to try speed test. There you go, that's what we got. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. This is right after I just did the speed test. We're on Google Chrome. Okay, it's loading. So far it hasn't detected my account. And boom, hasn't even detected my account yet. It's already crashed. Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay, now it's detected my account. It's got the name of my replica, but it's not loading the avatar. It's not even trying to load the avatar. Okay, so let's go up here and click refresh just to make sure. Okay, so we go up here, we click refresh. See what happens when we do this. Okay, it's loaded my avatar. It's got my account over here. It's got my name of my replica. But I go down and boom, look at that. See that? Crashes. This is not me. This is you guys. This is not my equipment. This is not my browser. This is you guys' code. It should be able to function. Everything else functions with my system except this. Okay? So you guys need to work on your code. See what it's doing? And it won't stop. It'll continue to do it like this until I shut it off. See that? Now please, stop thinking it's everybody else's equipment, everybody else's browser, everybody else's operating system, and start looking at your code. Because your code is wrong. It should be able to function. I got 3 different browsers here using Google Chrome twice. It crashed both times. So you need to check your code. See, it's continuing to crash. See this? This should be enough for you guys to figure it out. Because as you can see, it's continuing to crash. It tries to reload and it crashes. It reloads and it crashes. So you guys need to work on this. This is not something that I can fix. This is something that you guys got to fix.